Welcome to the next part of Bohemian Rhapsody. And from now on, it's getting really funny. Also hard, but we take small steps so that you will master it in any case. So it's really crazy what Queen is doing here in this part. And we start with the guitar solo in this part. So you already played the first verse, the second verse, and then we have this second verse here. And from now on, the second verse on to this point, because now we have a new chord, and then this guitar part. Sorry? Yeah, something like this. I will show you this in detail. It's going to be better. I need to practice it by myself as well, because there are some challenging parts, but it's possible, yeah? You just have to repeat it more often. Okay, but I like that you need to see that also I have to work on some challenges here. Okay, so again, we start here with the second verse. It's only played to this one point. Only to this point. And now we have from the chords something that we already had. So A flat major. So now we have the same chords we from the mama time. The mama. Yeah, at least the first part of it. So really the same chords. And by the way, we go on with this, of course. Yeah, but this part of the next video, of course. Okay, so we have the E flat major chord. And this is the melody. G, F, G, B flat. But first, in the left hand, E flat, G, F, E flat, B flat and D. This is the first practice part. And then the second. This is G, C, D, E flat, C. And what's good to see is the C minor chord here. Yeah, we only need the chords of the C minor chords, and we have the D in between. So, and here have a look how I change the finger. The pointer and the thumb. Yeah. And by the way, here this is repeated. Like this. To this point. All together, first the chord. these are the first two practice parts together. Then we go on. Let me think. Two times. That were two times. That was two times. And we played a third time. And that's the next practice part. Then we have the notes D and E flat and F, not the C. Because we have the F minor chord here. And here also the F on the left hand. And the F minor chord on the left hand. And we go downstairs with the left hand. So first we had this. And now D, E flat, F. So, and after the F, we have the notes G, A flat, C. So this the E flat we had, G, A flat, C, G, A flat, C, and the left hand, the F together. And with the G in the right hand, we play the E in the left hand, and the left hand and the E flat with the A flat in the right hand, then write the C. So that's the complete practice part. So we had here the ring finger. And that's also the correct way to play this. So ring finger, thumb on the G, pointer on the A flat, pinky on the C. Yeah, and that's the highest note also. So that's the best version. Yeah, okay, till this point. Let's play it again with the part before, with C minor. Now D, F, and by the way, you can play it with the ring finger, or you make it with a thumb like this. You take the thumb below, and then G and E, A flat and E flat, C in the right hand alone. So that's the next practice part, only to this point. Okay, I go on. Have a look here. But don't forget to repeat and practice it, by the way. Yeah, this is what I missed. Yeah, because then I would be able to play it much safer. Yeah, repetition is key. Okay. And so now we have something that's really only usually a guitar scale, so it's hard to translate it for the piano. Yeah, but this is, I used this thrill here on the piano. We can't do the bending on the piano. So G, A flat and this thrill. So B flat, A flat, G, A flat, G, F, E flat. So this is the slow version. Dum bum, la da da dum bum, lam bum, da 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 dum bum, Lum bum ba da da dum, a lum bum ba da lum bum da lum, a lum bum da lum bum da lum bum. So, how can you master it in this speed? Well, it's so the A flat and the C has to be here on the F on the C. So think about from the beginning that you play F, yeah, because this is the most important note. So the G, A flat, G, boom. So that's just the way to the F. G, A flat, G. Yeah, think F. So G, B flat, F. So this is a bit easier to play. You think F, but on the way to the F, you play these notes right before. Okay? And before this, you play the G. And then, of course, you have the E flat here. Yeah, well, that's the part. Yeah, take your time. Of course, it's hard. Yeah, maybe you don't make it today, but when you repeat it again and again, you will make it within the next days. Okay, and then lum bum ba da da dum bum, lum bum ba da da dum bum, lum bum ba da da bum bum. Don't forget, the most important notes are the F and E flat. Dum dum da 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 dum bum. Bum 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 bum. So, in the left hand, we just stay on the D. So that's what we had before. And then we have B flat and D at the same time. So that's the only thing that happens in our thrill. And then we go on. The next part, the next practice part, is D, E flat, D. Here, this one. So D, E, D, D, C. As our D, E flat, D, and the second D is much stronger. It's the most important note. So, because usually there's also a thrill. Yeah, the second note is louder. That's the main note. And that's the main challenge also to play it like this. Yeah, maybe this is the practice part for you. D, E flat, D, D. So the second note is the stronger note. So on the left hand, we are still on the D. Yeah, that's the next practice part. And then the last. C, D, C, B flat. And on the B flat, we also play the B flat in the left hand. So that's the last practice part. So, well, that's the last hard part here for this video. In the left hand, we really have just D and B flat. And the right hand, So, and again, I will give you the notes in between. So, B flat are the most important notes, right? So, the B flat is an important note. The F is a very important, it's a key note, yeah? So let's say it's a key note. So then the second D and the last B flat. So B flat. So this is funny. I've never realized it's a B major chord. So it's B flat, F, D, and B flat. Yeah. So let's press the pedal. But I leave it and press it again on these key notes. Yeah. So of course, as I mentioned, I need to practice it and repeat it as well. Yeah. I just repeating and repeating it again. Okay, then we go on, but this is something we do in the next video. Well, but let me play the whole part from today's video. Yeah, the first half of the solo and also the second half of the verse here. So from the mama. Two times. The third time on the F. Here, left on E and E flat, C, and now we have this part with the thrills. Yeah. Well, and that's the first part of the solo, of the guitar solo. So I really hope you enjoy this part. So the only secret really are the repetitions. I showed you the parts, which one to practice. Yeah, all you have to do is just to repeat it again and again. So at the very beginning, you need some patience. But if you are patient, it's getting faster than you think. Yeah? Okay, but no matter how it works right now, I'm so happy that you're still here. I have no doubt that you will make it till the end. I really hope you enjoy this. And I'm always looking forward to see you on my website, werdemusiker.com. I give you some nice links. I'll put you some nice links in the description. Check them out and see you in the next video.